Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Today, we're diving into Aerodrome Finance, a rising star in the decentralized exchange, or DEX, world. Built on the Base network, Aerodrome is making waves in the crypto market. But what does it mean for you, the investor? Let's break it down. So, how does Aerodrome work? It's a DEX, which means it uses smart contracts to facilitate trades without intermediaries. At its core is an automated market maker, or AMM, a system that uses liquidity pools to determine prices. Imagine a pool filled with two tokens, like ETH and USDC. Traders can swap one for the other, and the price adjusts based on the pool's balance. Now, let's talk about AERO, the lifeblood of Aerodrome. It's the governance token, meaning holders get a say in how the platform evolves. But it's more than just voting power. AERO also rewards liquidity providers, those who contribute to the liquidity pools. Think of it as earning interest on your crypto. And there's a catch, or rather, a boost. Aerodrome offers unique features to maximize returns for liquidity providers, setting it apart from other DEXs. So, what's the investment outlook for Aerodrome Finance and its AERO token? Let's dive in. Currently, AERO boasts a market capitalization of $518 million and a daily trading volume of $31 million. These numbers indicate growing interest in the project. The potential for Aerodrome and AERO is undeniably exciting. As a DEX on the rapidly expanding Base network, Aerodrome is well positioned to capture a significant share of the growing DeFi market. As more users flock to Base, the demand for efficient trading platforms like Aerodrome is likely to increase, driving up the value of AERO. Moreover, Aerodrome's unique features, such as its focus on user experience, innovative reward systems, and strong community engagement, can act as powerful catalysts for growth. If the platform can successfully execute its roadmap and deliver on its promises, AERO's price could see substantial gains. However, it's essential to consider the factors that can influence AERO's price. The growth of the Base ecosystem is paramount. A thriving Base ecosystem means more users and more activity on Aerodrome, which is positive for AERO. Additionally, the overall trend of DeFi is crucial. As DeFi continues to gain traction, DEXs like Aerodrome are likely to benefit. Lastly, we can't ignore the impact of broader market conditions. Cryptocurrencies are inherently volatile, and AERO's price will be influenced by the overall market sentiment. A bullish market can create favorable conditions for AERO, while a bearish market can put downward pressure on its price. Investing in cryptocurrencies, including Aerodrome Finance, involves significant risks. The crypto market is highly volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate wildly. You could lose money. Specific to Aerodrome, competition is fierce in the DEX space. New platforms emerge all the time, which could impact Aerodrome's market share. Additionally, the regulatory landscape for crypto is evolving. Changes in regulations could affect how Aerodrome operates and the value of its token. Remember, investing is a personal decision. Always do your own research. Understand the technology, the team behind the project, and the market conditions. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Aerodrome Finance is a promising DEX on the Base network offering unique features like vote locking and optimized rewards. Its AERO token is both a governance and reward token, with potential for growth as the platform and Base ecosystem expand. Want to stay updated on the latest crypto trends and insights? Hit that subscribe button for more in-depth analysis and expert opinions. Thanks for watching.